On Friday, June 13, 2025, Israel launched a significant military operation against Iran, dubbed Operation Rising Lion. This attack comes amid heightened international concerns over Iran's nuclear program and follows a series of escalating tensions and retaliatory actions between the two countries in recent years. Here are the full details known so far. Targets and scope of the attack. Nuclear facilities. Israel stated its primary objective was to target the heart of Iran's nuclear program. This included Iran's main uranium enrichment facility in Natanz, where black smoke was reportedly seen, and potentially other nuclear research centers like those near Tabriz and Isfahan. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu confirmed the strikes hit Iran's nuclear enrichment site and aimed at disrupting its nuclear infrastructure and ballistic missile factories. Military sites. The attacks also targeted various military installations across Iran. Dozens of radar installations and surface-to-air missile launchers in western Iran were reportedly destroyed. Reports suggest the strikes also hit the headquarters of the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, IRGC, and other military bases, particularly in the vicinity of Tehran. Assassinations. A critical aspect of the Israeli operation involved the assassination of senior Iranian military officials and nuclear scientists. Iranian state media has reported the deaths of Hossein Salami, Commander-in-Chief of the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, IRGC. Mohammad Bagheri, Chief of Staff of the Iranian Armed Forces. Gholam Ali Rashid, Commander of Khatam al-Anbiya's Central Headquarters. Nuclear scientists Faridun Abbasi and Dr. Mohammad Mehdi Taranchi. Reports also indicated that Ali Shamkhani, a senior advisor to Iranian Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, was critically injured. Execution of the attack. The Israeli military stated that 200 fighter jets were involved in the initial wave of attacks, dropping over 330 different munitions on more than 100 targets. The operation began in the early hours of Friday, local time in Iran. Israel described the attacks as preemptive, citing intelligence that indicated the Iranian regime has made significant progress in achieving nuclear capability and its ability to act against us. Iranian response. Hours after the Israeli strikes, Iran launched a counterattack involving more than 100 drones aimed at Israel. Israel has begun intercepting these drones outside of Israeli territory, with initial reports suggesting that the Israeli military successfully intercepted all incoming drones. Iranian Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei has warned of severe punishment and a harsh response to the Israeli attacks, claiming that residential areas were also targeted. Footage from Tehran showed explosions and buildings ablaze, with Iranian state TV broadcasting images of damage to residential buildings. International reactions and implications. A state of emergency has been declared in Israel. The United Nations Secretary-General Antonio Guterres has called for maximum restraint to avoid a descent into deeper conflict, expressing concern about attacks on nuclear installations. The United States has stated it was not involved in Israel's military strikes in Iran. The current events mark a severe escalation in the long-standing shadow war and open conflicts between Israel and Iran, raising fears of a broader regional conflict. Flights around the Middle East are experiencing cancellations and delays. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has stated that the strikes will continue for as many days as it takes to remove this threat. This attack follows a series of tit-for-tat actions between Israel and Iran and their proxies, including previous missile and drone exchanges in April and October 2024, and assassinations of key military and scientific figures. The current operation appears to be the most overt and comprehensive Israeli attack on Iranian soil to date, directly targeting the core of its nuclear and military infrastructure and leadership.